By the end of this video, you will be able to understand and know more about the concept of green funding. The global threat posed by climate change and environmental degradation has placed the green growth and the transition towards a green economy at the top of the international political agenda. Achieving such a transition requires a considerable scale up of investment in low carbon technologies and environmental preservation. This is particularly true for developing and emerging economies since they are home to vital ecosystem and account for a rapidly rising shares of global greenhouse gas emission. Yet the financial and political environments in these countries are often not conducive to the financing of such technologies. The concept of green finance. Green finance was first conceptualized in the early 1990s when the UNEP, that is United Nations Environmental Programme, in cooperation with financial institutions developed by UNEP finance initiatives to identify, promote and facilitate the adoption of best practices in the environmental and sustainability at all levels of financial institution operations. However, there is no universally applied definition of green finance. The term green finance implies the inclusion of the entire financial system in the transition to a green economy and functions emerging as result. Related terminologies to green finance. Number one is a climate finance. Climate finance refers specifically to capital flow that targets low carbon and climate resilience development. Sustainable finance, the provision of financial capital and risk management products to projects and businesses that promotes or do not have a negative impact on economic prosperity, environmental protection and social justice. Third one is a green finance, financial investments flowing into a sustainable development projects and initiatives, environmental products and policies that encourages the development of a more sustainable economy. Green finance includes climate finance but is not limited to it. It also refers to a wider range of other environmental objectives such as industrial pollution control, water sanitation or biodiversity protection. To conclude to this topic, we can say that the financial investments flowing into sustainable development projects and initiatives, environmental products and policies that encourages the development of a more sustainable economy. Green finance includes climate finance but is not limited to it. It also refers to a wider range of other environmental objectives such as industrial pollution control, water sanitation or biodiversity protection. I'm sure you must have found this video useful and informative. If so, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Sandeep signing off. Thank you so much for your time.